Hi dear friends, this is your Gallant IAS and welcome to another session of Jot Down series. Today we are going to discuss about the recent development which happened in the India-Vietnam relationship. So this topic is important for us because under General Studies 2 in International Relations, a dedicated topic is there. So let's go through the India-Vietnam Leaders Virtual Summit. So on December 21, 2020, the Prime Minister of India held a virtual summit with the Prime Minister of Vietnam. So the two prime ministers reviewed ongoing bilateral cooperation initiatives and also discussed regional and global issues. And a joint vision for peace, prosperity, and people document was adopted during the summit, so which can be used to guide the future development of the India-Vietnam Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. So both the leaders also welcomed the signing of a plan of action for the period 2021 to 2023 to implement the joint vision. Also, the leaders ensure the significance of improving bilateral cooperation. So they agreed to support each other's national development priorities and work together towards the shared objective of a peaceful, stable, secure, and free, open, inclusive, and rule-based Indo-Pacific region. Also, they ensure their commitment to strengthen cooperation against common global challenges, including the COVID-19 pandemic. So they agreed to maintain active cooperation for ensuring access to vaccine against the pandemic. Also, the prime ministers agreed to explore new and practical collaborations in the maritime domain based on the convergence between India's Indo-Pacific Oceans initiative and the ASEAN outlook on Indo-Pacific to achieve shared security, prosperity, and growth for all in the region. Also, the Prime Minister reaffirmed India's commitment to its development and capacity building partnership with Vietnam through initiatives such as Quick Impact Project, ITES, and PhD fellowships, as well as project to support Vietnam SDGs and also digital connectivity and heritage conservation efforts. Okay, now let's check the important announcement made in the recent summit. So the first one is the enhancing the number of quick impact project from currently 5 per year to 10 per year, commencing financial year 2021 to 2022. Also, the new development partnership project in heritage conservation in Vietnam. Also, the launch of a bilateral project for encyclopedia on India-Vietnam civilizational and cultural interaction. Now let's go through the major outcome of this particular summit. So the first one is India-Vietnam joint vision for peace, prosperity, and people. So it will guide the future development of India-Vietnam Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. Also, the plan of action for period 2021 to 23 for the further implementation of Comprehensive Strategic Partnership. Also, they decide to implement the arrangement on defense industry cooperation between India and Vietnam. So it will help to provide a framework for promoting cooperation between the defense industries of the two countries. Also, the agreement for $5 million Indian grant assistance for the Army Software Park at the National Telecommunications University in Vietnam. So it will help to facilitate setting up of IT infrastructure at the Army Software Park in Telecommunications University with the provision for training and services in the field of software application. Also, they signed a MOU between India's Atomic Energy Regulatory Body and Vietnam Agency for Radiation and Nuclear Safety. So it will help to promote the mutual cooperation between the regulatory bodies of the two countries in the field of radiation protection and the nuclear safety. Also, they signed a MOU between CSIR, Indian Institute of Petroleum, and Vietnam Petroleum Institute to promote the cooperation in petroleum research and training. Also, they signed a MOU between Tata Memorial Center of India and the Vietnam National Cancer Hospital. So it will help to promote the exchange in the areas of training and scientific research, healthcare services, collaboration in diagnosis and treatment for the cancer patients. Also, they signed a MOU between National Solar Federation of India and the Vietnam Clean Energy Associations. So it will help to promote the exchange of knowledge, best practices, information between India and Vietnamese solar power industries, and to explore new business opportunities to promote solar power in India and also in the Vietnam. So this is for today to chout on. Before going to an end, let's discuss a model question. So the question is, India and Vietnam shares a trustworthy relationship with strategic concerns and common interest. So examine the recent development in India-Vietnam relationship. So please write an answer based on this topic and ensure you are okay with this topic. So please keep supporting us. Thanks for watching.